Hi, my name is Ludvig Byden. I'm features editor in the magazine. And I'm here today with Ludvig Byden, so the Swedish Association. Hi, Ludvig. Sweden is going well. In solar, and how do you foresee things going for the rest of the year?
Yeah, so we really see the last years. Now, I think the signs are looking better. Simply registrations going up, and pretty much statements are catching a bit of fresh air. Looking much more positive, getting more interest due to the higher electricity prices. So it's doing definitely better.
So no makes always looking for things.
Yes, with that.
But I think say the two big battle like the residential stand out market.
No, I would say they're all kind of catching up to one another. But they all look linked. The utility, of course, has been like down, but now catching up in terms of capacity. And I think the C&I segment is probably the most stable and pushing right now.
From this one,
Yeah.
what about the bridge? That's more, you mentioned 5 cents, my 5 cents. Not very long.
Yes, we have been very fast but don't so much, and partly thanks to the balanced markets where the products are well defined, the market has been very attractive. Although what types of services and products that are beneficial at the moment vary quite a bit, but that's helped to get a good rollout and almost no as far to say as batteries storage almost being like the first mover in many projects. Many both utility and C&I is holding that first. Sometimes it's but yeah, for sure. We were kind of already built to make a bit of space for the and also I think the residential segment that's there for what has kept going the last years. Definitely a big balance to the existence.
And these yeah, so
we hope so. We have an election coming up in September. Depending on what happens there, I think the conditions can be improved.
yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for saying that.
Thank you.